subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has finally launched its new smartphone under G series globally called Moto G100, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Motorola Edge S that was earlier launched in China this year. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G100 features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 21:9 aspect ratio. The screen supports HDR10, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, coupled with Adreno 650 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G100 supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash, TOF sensor, and a microphone. The triple rear camera includes a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 16MP ultra wide angle lens with 117° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 6K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has a dual 16 plus 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 20W turbo power charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Ready for platform that helps to connect the device to external monitor or a TV. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168 by 74 by 10mm, and it weighs around 207 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G100 has been priced at €499.99, and the smartphone is now available for purchase in some region in iridescent ocean, iridescent sky, and slate grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G100 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.